Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I will show you how to manually add your certification in your Upwork profile. Today in this video, I will add my Google Analytics certification in my Upwork profile. So let's begin and start the video. Okay, I am now visit my Upwork profile. So now click my here is see our certification option. You can click here. So I'm click here and you select add manually. I'm selecting manually and you can select your certificate. So I'm searching my Google and okay. Today so this is my certification, Google Analytics individual certification. So I am put my name here. You can put your certification name here. You can see the display this name. Okay, then add certification. Okay, so I'm adding now my certification there. So then you go to you need to go your email. So I'm going to my email and you send your compose. So you write here email. So I'm going to email this email. You need to copy, wait, copy. Where is my sorry, oh here I put the email here and you write the subject what you need to put. My subject is request to add certificate to Upwork profile. So I'm copy this and put then you need to write this message here. You write the message like what certificate you need to add, and there is I am writing here. I hope this message fine. Well, I am writing to request the adding of your new certificate to my Upwork profile. I recently complete the Google Analytics certification from Google Skills Shop, and I believe it I will significantly enhance my profile and showcase my expertise. So you can write like same this, and end of the message you can send your name, your Upwork profile link, your email and your phone number. Both all of us you are using this information uses your Upwork. Okay, then you need to copy and you paste your email box. And then last one you need to need to attach your Upwork your certification certification PDF format or image. Okay, I am going to my certificate here. Here is my certificate. My certificate is a Google certification. So yes, Google Analytics certification, my certification. So you can also add your certification. So then after uploading successfully, you need to send here. Then you receive a message. So for before confirmation message this after 2 and 3 hours later Upwork approve your certification. Then you can see here like verified by Upwork. Okay, so basically my request is pending because I am recently at this certificate. So that's the point. So I hope you understand the what I am saying and showing you. So you can easily add your certification here, just 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, and thank you. If you help this video, you can subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.